everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have a very small Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. Lately I've been noticing that I have been really just taking pictures at my Dollar Tree because there hasn't been a whole lot that has really caught my eye for me to want to bring it home. There's usually a couple items, but because there isn't a lot, I try to take pictures of the newer things that I see at my Dollar Tree. So the things that I did end up bringing home, as you can see, are in front of me here. So I'll just start off with this Bella Linda hair mousse. Now I've seen this for about a month, but I really was in need of some mousse, so I just thought I'd pick it up and give it a try. You can see it's $1.50. Let me know in the comments section below if you've tried this for yourself and if it's something that you would pick up again or just pass. Then I picked up another one of these St. Patrick's Day hats. And if you saw my last video, I do have a DIY that I'm hoping to share as soon as I finish it. I did start it at the beginning of January and I thought I was going to get it out very quick, but I ended up having some pain due to my fibromyalgia, so that gets really hard because it usually takes me out for quite a few days. And by the time I'm feeling better, I need to catch up with all the things that I need to get done. So I haven't got it out yet, but I'm hoping to do that very soon. So it was a winter DIY. And yes, we're still in winter, but we've been starting to get some really nice sunny days now. And I'm really excited for spring to come. But I thought I would still go ahead and share it because it is a DIY that you would be able to decorate seasonally. And although I was planning on showing it for Valentine's Day, well, that's past now. And the next holiday would be St. Patrick's Day. Now, I don't decorate for holidays. I decorate seasonally. So I would be getting it ready for spring, which I'm really excited about. But because I love the size of this hat and the shape of it, it looks really good on the DIY that I want to show. So I just may go ahead and show it for St. Patrick's Day if you celebrate that. But my plan with these little hats is just to take off all the glitter and make it pretty much like a black hat. I may keep the little buckle here because I think it's super cute. And just do it so that I can change it out seasonally as well. But for time's sake, I may just leave it like this. It is super cute, and show it for St. Patrick's Day. Then for spring or Easter, I ended up picking up just a couple items. What I really love are these wooden beads. They are one of my favorite items at Dollar Tree. And they came in 3 different styles. So the first one here is the orange wooden beads. And you can see at the one end, it has a green tassel. And then on the other end, it has this wooden carrot. Really cute. This one, I love the colors. It just says spring. It is pink and blue and green. And at the end, it has the jute twine tassel, and then it has this pink and white gingham ribbon. And then on the other end, it has this wooden bunny. And then the third one that I picked up is yellow, pink, and white. Really pretty as well. On the one end, it has the jute tassel with the yellow and white gingham, and then it has the wooden chick on the other end. Super cute. Then a couple of decor signs that I picked up. I really thought these were pretty. I like that they're very neutral. So the first one you can see here says Bunny Trail Farms, Egg Hunts Daily, 25 cents a basket. So it looks like faux wood planks in the back. But it is all flush. There is not any indentions here where the boards meet. And yeah, really super cute with the bunny in the basket with the eggs and the little butterfly. And then this one here says Happy Easter, Cottontails Farm Fresh Eggs with the super cute barn in the back and the super cute bunny and little chick with some eggs there. So yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul for today. As I said, it wasn't a very big one. I know that if I would be going to my other Dollar Trees that I used to go to, I probably would find some more. I'm hoping to get to the Sarnia Dollar Tree because that one is probably the largest Dollar Tree that I've seen myself. So hopefully I will get out to that one. But for now, I've just been sticking to the one closest to me. And although there's not a lot that I am bringing home, I still try to take pictures of all the things that I see so that you can still have an idea of some of the items that we're getting here in Canada, or at least at the Dollar Tree by me. I'm really excited for the spring items to come out. I'm really hoping that the metal planter, you know, the round one, I'll try and put a picture here. I think I said I was going to do that in my last video and I forgot, so I'll try to insert one here. I'm really hoping to see those at our Dollar Trees here in Canada. Perhaps some of you that are in Canada saw them last year. I never did, unfortunately, so that is an item that I have on my wish list. Let me know in the comments section below what you're hoping to find. And if you enjoyed this video, which I really hope you did, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.